Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate credit card rewards for travel with Amex, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate credit card rewards for travel with American Express, start by logging into your American Express account. Once logged in, navigate to the rewards section of your account dashboard. Here, you'll find an overview of your membership rewards points and redemptions options. Select the option for travel rewards, which may be labeled as travel or book travel. Explore the various travel partners and options available to you. You might see airlines, hotel chains, and car rental services listed. Choose the travel partner you are interested in using your points with. Next, select the specific rewards program you want to activate. Follow the prompts to link your account with the travel partner if required. Make sure to review the terms and conditions related to point redemption. After linking, return to the rewards section and confirm your selected travel partner. You can now review available travel deals that accept your rewards. If you decide to book a flight or hotel, enter your travel details. Continue to the checkout page, ensuring your membership rewards option is selected. Confirm your booking and review the total points required for the transaction. Once confirmed, you will receive a confirmation email for your booking and reward redemption. Finally, keep track of your membership rewards balance after the transaction. This will help you stay informed about how many points you have left for future travel. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.